Will investing in the ICICI Pru's guaranteed income for tomorrow plan help you create wealth in the long run? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this policy is a non-linked participating life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: it offers regular income and provides financial security to your family in your absence, and it has 4 plan options to receive guaranteed income, which are mentioned like yearly income option, lump sum option, and one-time payment option as well. So the policy term and your premium paying term, maturity benefit, death benefit will all differ from option to option, along with the maximum eligibility age as well to avail the benefits in this plan. And it allows the option of taking a loan against this policy to help you in case of emergencies that we don't calculate or predict. And also it provides you with the option to choose a lump sum or regular income to receive the death and maturity benefits. So now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis on this policy to help us make a more informed decision. So we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy. So let us assume for calculation purpose that a policy holder named Akash, who is a 35-year-old male, is paying 1 lakh annual premiums in this policy. So he wants to create an alternate source of income as he is planning to retire yearly. Now in this video, let us go over each option to see how Akash, paying the same premium, would receive his maturity benefits but in different options and policy years. So first we have the lump sum option, income option, yearly income option, and also single pay option. So as you can see from the cash flows depicted on the tabular column on the screen, so the IRR ranges in the first option 5.23% for lump sum option, and income option it is like 4.97%, and for yearly income option it is 4.4%, and for single pay income option it's 2.12%. So for an average it ranges from 2 to 5% as an IRR, which is not even beating the rate of inflation, let alone comparable to other instruments like even a fixed deposit. So even if you compare it to a FD, it's giving you lower returns compared to that. It might seem like a better amount of IRR for the money you have invested, but while looking through the long-term perspective, 2 questions arises. Will this be enough to beat inflation in the long run? And are the benefits offered in this policy sufficient? These questions make you wonder if there are any other better choices that you can make instead of investing in this policy. So let us review other alternative investments for a comparative analysis, just to see whether other alternative strategies can give you better returns in the long term period. So from an alternative investment perspective, we are going to use the same premium but split it and invest it separately in insurance and investment. Because from a realistic perspective, term insurance should be considered a suitable life insurance coverage, because you can avail yourself of a huge value life cover than the one currently reviewed in this video for a much lower premium. And you can invest in other options like PPF with the same amount and still be able to afford the premium of a high value life cover with term insurance. So keeping your investment and insurance separate will be more beneficial in your investment journey. For example, if you calculate the returns for term insurance plus PPF combination, because PPF is a long-term investment option provided by the government of India, where it offers you guaranteed returns, just as how ICICI assures you that it will give you guaranteed returns. So as you can see, for example, if you take up the same corpus, 1 lakh corpus that Akash was investing in the ICICI policy, and split it, like if you take a term insurance coverage which provides you a high value life cover of 50 lakhs but with an affordable premium of just 12,700 rupees annually for the next 10 years. So you can invest the balance amount of 87,300 in a PPF for the same next 10 years, and you will get an IRR of around 6.20%. If he unfortunately passes away, his family will have the financial security of 50 lakh life cover to sustain themselves, while ICICI's policy will only provide you a life cover of 10 lakhs to his family compared to the high value cover of term insurance. Now, if you analyze the return perspective, it gives you a higher yield, which is the IRR is 6.20%, while the ICICI policy gives you an average of 3 to 5% returns. So utilizing this method, it's clear how ICICI policy only provides a maturity amount of 22.28 lakhs after 20 years, while the combination of term insurance plus PPF provides a final maturity value that provides a corpus of 25.76 lakhs at the end of the same 20 years. And also it should be mentioned that PPF investments like interest earned and maturity amounts are all tax free. So if you're a conservative investor who's looking for guaranteed returns, this type of combination investment would be a good option for you. But if you're looking for a long term investment where you're willing to take some investment risk, there's an even better alternative you can take upon, which is equity mutual funds. So equity mutual funds or equity linked mutual fund that predominantly invest in stocks. So since this is a stock market related investment, it comes with its own set of risks. But as both the return and investment are linked, equity mutual funds provide a higher rate of return on your investment. So if the investor's risk tolerance is high, he can attempt investing in the mutual fund, keeping in mind your long-term financial goals rather than ICICI policy. So like for long term, we mean like 7 to 10 years. So let's assume Akash invests in equity mutual fund while investing in term insurance separately. So if you calculate the returns from a conservative 12% CAGR from the equity mutual fund scheme, you can see the IRR comes around 10.35%. So as you can see from the final maturity value of equity mutual fund, you can see there is a huge difference in value between ICICI policy and equity mutual fund, because here you are getting 47.87 lakhs while ICICI is giving you somewhere where 22.28 lakhs. So there's an approximate difference in value of 25.59 lakhs. So this is a good choice for a risk tolerant investor. But what is the final verdict? Is investing in the ICICI Pru guaranteed income for tomorrow plan worth it or not? So this policy may seem appealing to many investors because of its guaranteed return aspect. But after analyzing this policy in this video with other better alternatives for both conservative and risk tolerant investor, it is evident we didn't need to invest in this plan. But why are they still trying to sell this plan to you? Because agents get commission, and agent commission is so high in this policy. So please be careful of anyone who wants to sell this to you. The other alternatives offers you both an insurance and investment option, which keeps your insurance and investment separate, making it a better choice. By choosing this plan and combining your investment and insurance in one policy, you're at the risk of loss with inadequate life coverage and returns that will not even beat inflation in the long run. So if you feel the returns from ICICI policy, which ranges from 3 to 5% according to its payment options, are sufficient for you, then you can still opt for this plan after careful thought given over the discussed points. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.